My little buddy. I'm gonna pet you again. Oh, you're so funny. I'm really close to him. I'm not far away. I'm just maybe a foot away from him. That's why he's so spunky. He thinks I'm gonna grab him again, which I'm thinking about it. Oh, I don't want you to get hurt though. Let's get up. Watch out, Raphael. I know. Okay, little sweetie. Are you gonna try it? I know you hit pretty good, didn't you? You hit hard. Did you hit real hard? I know. There's my angel. Are you a little angel? Yeah, I'm gonna pet him from underneath here. He's gonna freak out. Oh, buddy. He's letting me pet him from behind. He's like, where did that hand come from? I know. Are you gonna fly? Oh, he just pecked me. He's like, leave me alone. I'm better. I'm better. But you gotta fly away, honey. Oh, chip, chip.